Hi friend, welcome to my channel. You did not click on the wrong video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Halo extensions from Luxy hair. This one is in the color Balayage Blonde. And you might be wondering why I have Balayage Blonde, because I'm clearly not blonde. I recently did dye my hair and you guys can see that I have a very vibrant pink. Obviously they don't sell this color, this exact color of hair extensions on Luxy's website. So the reason I picked this blonde one is because they are human hair. You are able to dye them, and I knew that this color was matching the underneath color that I have under this pink. So we're going to be dyeing them today, but I wanted to review them for you guys just in case you guys are shopping for the blonde balayage halo extension. I haven't tried their halo extensions before, so I'm really excited to share these with you guys and just give you guys my first impression of these extensions. I have already opened them. I can show you guys what they look like, but I also want to show you guys how I unbox them and how they will be arriving. So let me just show you guys what the halo extension looks like. This one again is the color blonde balayage. And I really hope that it goes well with the color that I have. I'm going to be dyeing them to match this right here, and I'm also going to dye it at the root to be a little bit on the darker side. So if you are thinking of purchasing extensions and you're kind of scared that they're not going to have your exact color, then always go lighter so that you are able to dye them to match your current hair color. So let's go ahead and get started with today's review, and I'm going to take you guys along as I dye my hair extensions.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Okay, this is the Luxy Halo Hair Extension box. This is what it looks like. And then it has like a little circle sticker right over here. You just take that off and then you just pop this thing open. And this is what the inside looks like. Right here you have a single weft. This is an extra, what do you call it? Hold on, I had to put lotion on my hands because my hands are so ashy. This is an extra, one of those like little elastic things that go over your head to hold the extensions up. So just in case the other one rips or breaks or whatever. And then this is a single weft. It says, read me first. So let's go ahead and do that. This is one of the pieces of your full set of Luxy hair extensions. It's designed for you to test the color and quality of your new set. You may take it out of the net, but it must remain fixed in this card. Please do not wear it or style this piece until you decide to keep your set. Once you're sure about keeping your new Luxys, you can add this piece to your full set located below. Okay, so let's take this one out and take a good look at it. All right, so here we have the blonde balayage halo. You guys can see the color right in here. Excuse my press-on nails, they look like crap. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into the actual halo extension. So right over here it has this sticker. I already opened it, but let me show you what it says. So the sticker right here says cannot return or exchange if open. So if you remove the sticker, you can't return it, okay? So just make sure you are certain of the color. Okay, this is what the box looks like before opening it. It says try me before opening the full set below. So that's why we have that sample weft again. And once you're ready to open it, just remove the sticker here. And then again, you can't return it after you do that. So just make sure you are happy. Okay, now I haven't taken a look at this. This is exactly how it came. I just thought of filming this for you guys. So let's see what we have inside here. We have different sizes of the halo, the holder of the halo. I don't know what you would call these, but I guess there's like large, extra small. It really depends on your head size. I'll probably be an extra large. I'm little with a big ass head. Oh shit, I dropped it. Yeah, okay, so Then we also have these extra clips for your extensions in here. So that's kind of nice. So we get provided with that. Let's take the halo extension out. Cool. Now let me get this opened up and let's see what she looks like. Oh, it already has one of these little thingies. I thought I had to apply it. How do you apply it? Okay, I guess you just like tie it right there. Do you guys see that? It's tied right there. That kind of makes me nervous. What if it like falls off? I guess we'll have to see. Oh, okay. So here is the little clip. Let me show you. So there's a clip and then this is already tied on there. Okay. And I think that they sell this like stretchy thingy at Michael's craft store. So just in case you ever just need extras, that's kind of good. And then here is what this piece looks like. It's only one piece and it has two clips, as you guys can see. Yeah, and this is actually a pretty thick hair piece right here. I don't know if you guys can really pick it up on camera how thick it is. Let me grab it. It's this much hair. But yeah, she's pretty or whatever. I'm gonna be dyeing it, so we're gonna see how this turns out. So let's start dyeing it, maybe. I don't know. Okay, we already seen this two clip weft. I thought it was a single clip weft that was on top of the little on top of the box before we opened the actual extensions. And we have a second one that was inside of the box along with the halo extension. So we have two of these that can frame the face and just add the length towards the front. Let me show you guys the length of my hair without the hair extensions. Yeah, we definitely need more help with volume and more fullness. We're gonna get started. I'm excited. We're gonna make these pink. We're gonna get them to match. Okay, so I just set some foil down on my bathroom counter and we're gonna get the extensions. Hold on, where are they? I'm going to use the Wella 4NB chocolate brown hair color, and this is a permanent hair color. I'm gonna be putting this towards the this area right here. What do you call this? This like closest to the scalp, to create like a shadow root for these extensions. So I've already mixed it up with a 20 volume. Okay, and I have my gloves on. Excuse the tripod, that shit has to show. Actually, I can turn it like that. Okay, we're good. All right, we're Gucci. We're gonna go into the dye, and I'm gonna begin to apply it like this, like that. Oh God, please don't mess up. Okay. I'm gonna bring it down with the brush. Hold on. Oh girl, we're getting messy over here. So I'm just kind of using my fingers to calm the rest of the hair down. I should have probably brushed them. What kind of freaking tutorial is this? I don't know. I'm trying to saturate this thing because it is a pretty thick piece since it is just like one long thick weft. So we're going in there, and now I'm gonna grab this extension. I'm gonna grab it and just flip it over to the back side so we can get this back piece taken care of. You know? This does not have to be super neat. I'm just going in there. Now I'm switching the brush from going like this to going like this so it's a little bit more softer towards the ends. Okay, so now continue on. I'm really going in there. I think that's good. So let me flip it back, and I'm gonna go back in here a little bit. I'm going to this area. It's already starting to change in color. So going in there. We really didn't need a lot of dye, but so far so good. Oh, it's changing color, girlfriend. All right. Now that we have this shadow root going on, I'm gonna go into my Lime Crime semi-permanent hair dye. This is the color Chocolate Cherry. This is the one I used on my hair. Okay, and we're gonna grab a different brush. Hold on. Okay, so now let me take my, oh my god, we're probably gonna have to put a different foil. Hold on. Okay, let me just put that over there. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Okay, so now we're gonna go in here. We're gonna take this dye. And this is not gonna be super neat, okay, because this, I can't fit my brush into this. So, like, it doesn't fit. Okay, so we're just gonna dump it. Yeah, this is quite a tutorial for you guys, you know? But I'm sure you guys can be a little bit neater than I am. So I'm just going in there straight with this. And we're just getting every strand as possible of this dye. Oh my god, that's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna finish this up off camera. Okay, so now that we have one side done, I'm gonna flip it over to the back side. And we're just gonna continue doing what we did to the other side and just dye it as much as possible. And get as much dye on there. We can't wait to see these done. All right, so I'm just finishing up the rest. You guys can see the root area is definitely really getting darker. So I'm just like penetrating a lot of this dye. I had to get another bottle. This one is still the chocolate cherry one. So I'm just going in there. I'm like spreading it to see where there's like blonde spots. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. So I'm just going in there and seeing what I missed. I'm also going to go back into the permanent hair dye that the dark one that I used to overlap some of these other root area. But for the most part, we got all of this right here done, all of the ends. It's a lot easier when you're just using one color, but since I am trying to like get this to all match up to my current hair color, you know, see, like we still have to work on this area right here. So I'm just going in there with more dye. So like a lot of the hair is attached to this, so we have to like really go in there. This is kind of like a scalp area. You want to make sure you're getting everything in there, you know? So I'm just gonna go through this here and see like if I missed anything. Okay, so now we have pretty much saturated this whole thing. I do want to go in a little bit more with the permanent dye. For this dye, I forgot to mention to you that you don't even need any developer, but for the permanent one, you definitely do. So I'm just going to go back in a little bit more with this one. And add more of this darker dye. I'm going to flip it over and repeat. That is basically it for this one. I have to dye the other two clip wefts, but I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to dye these. You can just go in with any color that you want. And I just use two different ones because obviously my hair is two different colors, but it'll be so much easier, I repeat, it'll be so much easier with just one solid color. After I finished blow drying them, I wanted to go in with my straightener and go very quickly just so I can get rid of some of that frizz. And then I'm going to be sectioning out my hair into a halo. Of course, I'm going to be leaving the front pieces off to the side. I'm also going to be clipping it up, and once I have done so, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the back. This is what it should look like on the back side. And then I'm going to take my halo extension and I'm going to clip in the 2 clips on the back, and then I'm going to bring the elastic string over to the front. And this is what it looks like on the back. If you have to go in and adjust the clip, you should definitely do so that it holds pretty well through the day. And then this is me bringing it forward, letting the rest of my hair down, and you can kind of see the string just a little bit. I mean, it's not noticeable because it is a clear string. And now we're going into the 2 clip wefts, and I'm going to be applying it into my head. You can apply this wherever you want. I do usually like to do it in a diagonal forward way so that it just frames my face. And then I'm going to go in with my straightener and start creating loose waves. I really love doing my hair into loose waves. It just adds more volume and it just looks so pretty. I could have definitely been a little bit neater with the color, but I mean, it does not look bad at all. I'm going to be fixing it later, but I mean, it looks pretty good if you ask me. And then here I am just shaking my freaking head to see how freaking trustworthy these extensions are. And let me just say, I trust them. They're going to stay in. I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Luxy hair review. If you guys have any questions for me, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. I'm also going to leave a link directly to buy these extensions in my description box, so don't forget to check it out. I also have a discount code for you guys. And I'm going to leave you guys with my latest uploads. I hope you guys get a chance to subscribe, and I'll see you guys hopefully in my next video. Bye, guys.